You may have heard about matcha, made by stone grinding dried tea leaves. But what about Hojicha? That's dried tea leaves, stems, stalks, and twigs roasted in a porcelain pot over charcoal. You can sample them both in Little Tokyo, get a tea-flavored dessert, or go for a more traditional afternoon tea. Midori Matcha specializes in ceremonial grade matcha and Hojicha. They excel at traditional presentation, mixing the green matcha tea powder into water with a bamboo brush. They also serve Hojicha and matcha-flavored soft-serve ice cream. Tea Master has a similar menu to Midori that includes cold-brewed matcha and traditional green tea, while Chado Tea Room, next to the Japanese American Museum, serves more than just green tea, with a menu that spans the globe. If you're feeling tired of Japanese flavors or prefer black tea over green, they serve a traditional, British-style afternoon tea.